Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to add product attributes in the Electro theme. Now, you might be wondering, why should you use product attributes? Well, product attributes are essential for organizing your products more effectively, helping customers find what they're looking for faster, and enhancing the overall shopping experience on your website. By setting up detailed attributes, you can provide clear information and make your store much more user-friendly. Let's start by configuring the product Metafield. First, from your Shopify admin, go to Store Settings, then scroll down to Custom Data and select Product. Next, we need to add a definition for our custom Metafield. I will name my custom Metafield as Meta1. For the type, please choose single line text. Product attributes works only with the single line text Metafield type. You can choose between one value or list of value options for the Metafield type. When list of value is chosen, multiple badges will be displayed on the storefront. In this example, I will choose list of value. Now head back to the Shopify admin. In product, choose the product you want to add customer Metafield and start to setting it up. Now let's settings for the product attribute in Electro theme. Go back to your online store and select theme settings. Here, within the product information card, you'll find the product attribute. Now switch back to the Metafield tab and copy the namespace and key from there. Paste these details into the corresponding box. And that's it. You've successfully added product attributes to your Electro theme. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below.